Hey guys, check out what I just got off of Amazon right here. This is gonna be a descaler for some fish. So I'm always out here deep sea fishing over here in the coast of California. Wanted to literally just check this out because scaling a fish, you know, if it's your first time going fishing or if it's like your 100th time going fishing, it's always pretty hard. This thing right here says you can descale a whole fish in under a minute. So let's check this whole thing out, show you guys everything that's inside of this box. As you can see, this is what the device is gonna look like. It says it's strong power. It says you can charge it. It's gonna be wireless and everything too. So let's check this thing out. So this obviously looks like this is gonna be the machine right here. It says there's gonna be a lithium battery in here. This is where you're gonna charge it too. So whenever you need to charge it, recharge it, you're gonna stick it right in there. So look at this. So obviously these are gonna be the descaler right here. There's gonna be a button, off and on button right here. Whoa, that looked crazy. But there's two modes, so you can push it this side, you can go that way, or you can push it the other way, then it'll be spinning the other way too. Those are insane, insane teeth. So it seems like you're just gonna be carving it like this, and she's gonna take it right out, all the scales. What else came with it too? We're gonna have a scooper, it seems like. So it's also gonna have some teeth on it too. You're gonna be able to scoop stuff out, and then you just poke it out, you need meat. And it's also gonna come with this one too. This is also gonna be an extra set for your descaler. Man, check those teeth out. Golly. So it's gonna have about 6 different rows of teeth. Super, super sharp, so they're just gonna get the job done. And here's gonna be the charger right here. So it says it's gonna have fast life. It's gonna be able to take out that pretty easily, in less than a minute. But like, check that thing out, man. That thing literally looks like it's just taking out. Way easier than you just using a knife and actually wasting your muscle when you have 100 fish you gotta descale. So seriously guys, maybe check this out. I'm gonna check it out this weekend and